Isa na namang franchise ang babagay sa panlasa ng mga Filipino-Chinese citizens or immigrants. But what's amazing is that di lang Filipino-Chinese rice bowls ang meron sa kanila, but they have Korean rice bowls and bento, that's right. Kaya ang daming varieties na nasa menu nila, imagine, apat na Asian recipes ang nandyan. Surprisingly, they only have 2 branches. Ito ang Masangkay tapos yung isa na sa Ayala mo Cloverleaf, Quezon City. Kaya ito yung isa sa mga unique restaurants na nahanap ko, kagaya na lang sa 1212 Cafe. Ang kailangan lang gawin talaga is mag-order ng dalawa since it's more appetizing and appealing.
Pero wala naman ako kasama eh. Ay, kahit pag-isa naman ako, sanay na ako eh.
Food montage mo na nga tayo. But take note also, their bentos are already good for 2 to 3 depende sa amount ng ulam. At ngayon, meron tayong sisig and my order na Haiyan chicken and curry rice, their recommendation. Sige, start na tayo mag-review. Sisig. The seasoning is well rendered as you chew to the pork and some of the slices have thicker chunks of pork, chewy and meaty. Hainanese chicken naman. The rice is on a different level with some aromatics. Curry has a starchy and earthy flavor pero di ko siya nalasahan ng konti, but the rice is still a bop. Yung texture nito kakaiba rin, parang meat ng lechon that you can feel its fluffiness a bit. And that's all for the review. Sana magutom kayo at dapat mabusog din pagkasama niyo ako eh.